In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add new Sheet tab in Google Sheets. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click to create a fresh tab inside any spreadsheet so you can separate data, keep projects tidy, and work faster without cluttering a single sheet. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Google homepage. This is a simple way to access all your Google tools in one place. Look toward the top right corner of the page for the small grid of dots. This is the Google Apps Launcher. Click it to open the panel of available apps. This panel helps you jump straight to different Google services without typing addresses or searching. If you're prompted to sign in, just use your usual account so you can access your files. From the app panel, click on Sheets. That takes you to the Google Sheets home screen. Here you can open an existing spreadsheet or start a new blank one. If you already have a file you've been working on, you'll likely see it under Recent. Select it to continue where you left off. If you're beginning from scratch, choose the blank template to create a new spreadsheet. Either way works. The process to add a new Sheet tab is the same once you're inside a spreadsheet. With your spreadsheet open, move your eyes to the very bottom of the window. You'll see a horizontal bar that holds your Sheet tabs, usually starting with one called Sheet 1. At the far left of that row is a small plus icon. This is the Add Sheet button. Click the plus icon once, and a brand new Sheet tab will appear immediately in the tab row. It will have a default name, like Sheet 2, and it's ready for your data. If you want multiple new tabs, just click the plus again each time you need another one. If you don't immediately see the plus icon, try looking along the bottom tab bar and slide it left or right until it comes into view. On smaller screens or when you have many tabs open, the bar can get crowded, but the plus is always there at the start of the tab list. Also, if you add a sheet by accident, remember you can quickly undo your last action. That's all there is to it. Open Google, use the grid icon, go to Sheets, open your document or a blank file, and click the plus at the lower left to add a new Sheet tab. Your changes save automatically, so you can keep building and organizing your workbook with confidence.